Everybody, what's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the age verification on your Epic Games account. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have in your account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, the changing of your age verification is very easy and it only takes a couple of steps. And the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead right here into the upper right corner where your profile picture is and click on that icon right there. Click on that icon guys. Now this will give you a drop down menu where you can see multiple options such as seeing your achievements or editing your settings or seeing your account info and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the third option right here called account. So guys, go ahead and click on account, and now guys, this will open up a new external tab in your browser that will lead you to the official Epic Games website. So yeah, guys, you can see now we have opened up our account settings, and you can see guys on the left side of the screen there are multiple options for editing our account, such as account settings, email preferences, payment management and so on. So guys, what we want to do to change our age verification is go ahead and find this option right here called Parental Control. And you want to go ahead guys and open up Parental Controls. Now guys, this will open up a new page where you will have to enter your 6-digit PIN for your parental controls. If you do not know it guys, just go ahead and reset the PIN so you can reset your own PIN and enter the PIN right here. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and now this will open up this new page guys where you can edit your parental controls. And guys, we're going to go ahead and scroll down a bit until we find this option right here called required PIN to get new games rated above. So guys, here let's say it is put about teen. If you want to buy a game that is mature, you will have to enter your PIN. So guys, to turn off this age verification, all we want to do guys is just go ahead and pull this all the way up till it's unrated, and now you will never have to enter your PIN while buying games. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.